Hello students. Today we will discuss chapter number 1 exercise 1.1 question number 2. In a last video we already discussed exercise 1.1 question number 1. Today we will see the solution of question number 2. Question is, show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equals to AB, A less than equals to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Here we have to just state and prove, means here we have to prove this is not reflexive, not symmetric and not transitive. First of all, we are taking some counter example. Like we already know, R equals to AB, A less than equals to B square, and it can be observed that if you are taking 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 does not belongs to R, since 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 2 whole square, which is 1 by 4, which is not possible, and here we have to take A less than equals to B square, right? According to this counter example, you can show that R is not reflexive. Next is for symmetricness. If we are taking now 1 comma 4 belongs to R as 1 less than 4 square. You know 4 square is 16, then 1 less than 16. But 4 is not less than 1 square. Vice versa is not possible. For symmetricness, we have to take 4 comma 1, which is not possible. But 4 is not less than 1. Less than 1 square. That's why 4 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Hence, R is not symmetric. In a question, there is already mentioned, and you have to show that keep not symmetric, not reflexive, and not transitive. You have to just take counter example and give the proof. Okay. Next is for transitiveness, we are taking 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 1.5 belongs to R. As we know that 3 less than 2 square, 3 less than 2 square, 2 square is 4, 3 less than 4 possible, and 2 less than 1.5 square, which is 2.25 possible. But 3 greater than 1.5 square, we already know that 1.5 square is 2.25, and which is greater than 3. Therefore, 3 comma 1.5 does not belongs to R. Hence, R is not transitive. Next, question number 3. Check the relation R in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have a set, and relation R already defined. A comma B, colon B equals to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive. First of all, we have the set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are deriving the relation R equals to, if we are taking A equals to 1, then 1 plus 1, 2. And our order pair is 1, comma 2. Next is we are taking 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2, comma 3. If we are taking 3, 3, comma 4. If we are taking 4, then 4, comma 5. And if we are taking 5, 5, comma 1 is 6. This is our relation R. Here, A belongs to R. For reflexiveness, we have to find 1 belongs to R, 2 belongs to R, 3 belongs to R. But here there is no 1 no 2 no 3 no 4. That's why that is not possible. There is no 1 no 2 no 3 4 and 5 and 6 does not belongs to R. Therefore, clearly R is not reflexive. Next, for symmetricness, we are taking 1 and 2 belongs to R, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. But 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. You already know in the relation there is no 2 comma 1. That's why R is not symmetric. Next, we are checking for the transitiveness. Now we are taking 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 belongs to R. But if we are checking 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R. That's why R is not transitive. Next, question number 4. Show that the relation R defined as R equals to A comma B colon A less than equals to B is a reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. First of all, we are checking for reflexiveness and we are writing here relation A comma B, A less than equals to B. Clearly, A comma A belongs to R. A belongs to R as A equals to A, which is possible. Hence, R is reflexive. Next is for symmetricness. Now we are taking 2 comma 4 belongs to R as 2 less than 4. But 4 comma 2 does not belongs to R and 4 is greater than 2. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Next, we are checking for the transitiveness. Let AB belongs to R. AB and BC belongs to R. And we are checking with the relation A less than equals to B. And you can write here A less than equals to B and B less than equals to C. According to this, A less than equals to C, which is possible. Hence, A comma C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Question number 5 is the same as the question number 2 already we discussed. In question number 5, your relation defined as A less than equals to B cube. I will give as a homework and self try for you. If you will try and not comfortable and not getting the answers, then comment me. In next video, I will explain question number 5. Question number 6. A equals to 1, 2, 3. R equals to 1, comma 2, 2, comma 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Here we have set A and relation R. It is seen that there is no 1, 1, no 2, 2, no 3, 3. That's why you can write like this 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 does not belongs to R. That's why R is not reflexive. Next, we are taking for the symmetricness as 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R. 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R. Hence, R is symmetric. Next, for transitiveness, here 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 1 belongs to R, but 1, 1 does not belongs to R. Hence, R is not transitive. Thank you, students. For any query, you can comment in my comment sections. And for all the chapter number 1 concepts and examples, watch my previous videos. Thank you.